Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya Madan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm currently pursuing my residency in pediatric medicine from SMS Medical College, Jaipur, having secured an All India rank of 1400, that is 1400 in NEET PG 2020. So we all know that during our competitive exam preparation, it's very important to have a good set of notes, a good set of review material, and also how smart work beats the core hard work, and how it is important to strategize. So one of the study techniques that I use during my preparation and use till now when it comes to giving my final exam for the MD. So one of such techniques is mind mapping. Mind mapping, I have talked about it multiple times in my videos, and especially when it comes to note making. Mind mapping is something that I always opt for rather than writing the linear notes. So coming on to mind mapping. Mind mapping is nothing but a technique that will use a visual diagram to represent the relationship between ideas, and it can be a very helpful study tool because it can help you organize your thoughts and ideas. It will help you see a bigger picture. It will help you identify a relationship between the concepts, and it will also help you to remember the information better. What you all have to do to create a mind map is you have to start by writing the main topic of your study in the center of the piece of paper, and then you draw off branches off from the main topic, and then you write down the subtopics. You can continue to add branches and subtopics as needed further, and you can use multiple colors, images, and symbols to make your mind map more visually appealing. So here are certain tips that you can use for mind mapping for studying. First of all, you can brainstorm all the key topics or concepts that are related to your topics, and then you organize your ideas into hierarchy with the most important concepts at the top and the least important concepts at the bottom. Now you use colors, images, and symbols to make your map more visually appealing. And finally, you review this map regularly to help you remember the information. This mind mapping technique is a really helpful study tool, and I have used it throughout my MBBS as well as during my preparation, because as you can see, you will incorporate all the concepts and thoughts about that particular topic and on a single page. So it will help you see a bigger picture. It will help you connect the dots and also remember your information better. If you are someone who is looking for a way to improve your study skills, then I feel that mind mapping is a technique that is worth trying. Some additional techniques or tips that I would recommend in this case is while you are attending some lecture or while you are reading, then you can use these mind maps. While you are reading, create this list of topics and try to incorporate them in a connected structure, and review them as you are preparing for the exam. Also, sharing such mind maps with your classmates or study groups, I would recommend that, because that would encourage a cycle where you all just find ways to simplify a concept or study. And finally, brainstorming sessions. For brainstorming sessions, these mind maps are amazing. Finally, I want to sum up this that this mind mapping technique is a versatile tool, and you can use it anyhow to make your goals achievable. So that's it from my side. I hope this video finds your way and you find it helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.